y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. And again, thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. As you can see from the description, today we are opening the January 2019 Facetory. I love this subscription. It is just one of my favorites. Every month you receive, with the subscription that I do, 4 face mask every month. I do the Forever Fresh. They do have an option for a 7 Lux where you receive 7 face masks every month. The Forever Fresh with shipping out the door is $8.90. So I think that is super fantastic. I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. If you use the link, it will get you a couple of extra free masks your first month, so that's great. But like I said, it's $8.90 a month with shipping and everything out the door. So it's a little more than $2 a mask, and I love the variety of masks, so I think it's a great subscription. And let's go ahead and see what we got for January. Still getting used to saying January. Let's see. So we have our card here that will tell us about each of the masks and the cost. So let's says Ready, Set, Glow. So that it must be their theme for January 2019. It's finally 2019, the start of a brand new year. For this year, let's Ready, Set, Glow and discover that the skincare that works for you. We believe the habit of resetting our daily skincare routines can help clear our minds as we reach our goals and dreams. You got this, Facetory fam. So we're just gonna pull the first one out. I like the packaging of this. This is Facetory Moon Velvet Moisturizing Cream Mask. And this one is a $4 value. Pamper yourself during a night in with the Moon Velvet Moisturizing Cream Mask. This eco-friendly 10-cell sheet mask hugs the contours of your face with a creamy essence. Uses during the nighttime to wake up with velvety soft skin. It has shea butter and sodium hyaluronate. So awesome. Like I said, I love the variety. So I mean, there'll be moisturizing masks, there'll be just, calming, just a variety. It's great. Anti-wrinkle, which I am all about. And this is the Look at Me Collagen Essence Face Mask. This is a $3 retail value. One of the greatest ways to take care of your skin to take care of yourself is to take care of your skin. This mask will give your skin the care it needs using one of our favorite ingredients, collagen. So it has the hydrolyzed collagen and rice extract. So I am super excited about that. It says containing the hyaluronized collagen and callus culture extract, it keeps the skin elastic. It provides intense hydration to your skin and diminishes the sign of aging. So like I said, I'm all about anti-wrinkle. I will be 35 this year, so we're gonna jump on it before it gets out of control. So let's see, we have 2 more. And this is Lyogen, I guess is the brand. 1 Day, 1 Mask Pack. It's a brightening mask. Let's start the new year with a brighter outlook and a brighter complexion using this brightening Lyogen mask. It has Centella asiatica extract. I don't know if I said that correctly, which is high in antioxidants. This ingredient fights inflammation and provides anti-aging properties. And then it has turmeric extract. So this will be a great mask. And then and that is a $3 retail value. And then our last mask, if I could talk, is, the packaging is really cute, but I can't figure out if I'm supposed to read it this way or that way, or Microliters Dermal Elasticity Mask from, I'm not sure if it's NOHG. The more elasticity, the merrier. This sheet mask will provide your skin with elasticity, revealing a tighter, smoother skin tone. This also has the hydrolyzed collagen, and then it has bamboo leaf extract, which helps replenish collagen in your skin while improves the skin's flexibility, resulting in smoother, firmer skin. This is a $3 value. So yay! So we're going to start 2019 with some masks to firm up and hydrate and all of that for our skin, which is great. Like I said, I will be 35 this year, so I need all the help I can get. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Facetory if you have not already. Their Forever Fresh program that I get is $8.90 a month. The link, if you do decide to use it, will get you some bonus mask with your first month or your first month's order. So let me know in the comments what you guys think, if you already get Facetory, if you love it, and I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.